Ready to fire up your kitchen? We've tested the hottest gas ranges of 2025, so you don't waste a single spark or dollar. Whether you're a home chef, a weekend baker, or just want to make dinner a little easier, stick around to find out which range truly cooks up the competition and which one might be the perfect fit for your kitchen. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and let us know in the comments which gas range is best for you. Your feedback helps us bring you more honest reviews and kitchen tips. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. GE Profile PGB935YPFS. First up is the GE Profile Freestanding Gas Range, and honestly, it's a smart, feature-packed addition to any kitchen. What really sets this range apart is its built-in Wi-Fi and Smart HQ app integration. Imagine being able to control and monitor your oven right from your smartphone. Whether you're preheating on your way home or checking on dinner from the couch, it's all about convenience. This range features 5 burners, each with its own power level, so you can simmer delicate sauces, boil water in a flash, or sear steaks to perfection. The no preheat air fry mode is a real game changer, letting you enjoy crispy favorites like fries or chicken wings faster without the long wait for preheating. There are also plenty of useful settings like programmable timers, auto self-cleaning, delayed cooking, and automatic shutoff. These features make daily cooking not just easier but safer too. The range comes with a reversible grill and griddle, which is perfect for everything from pancakes in the morning to burgers at night. And when it's time to clean up, the removable knobs are dishwasher safe, making the process quick and painless. With a spacious 5.6 cubic foot oven, you'll have plenty of room for large meals, holiday roasts, or baking multiple dishes at once. Overall, the GE Profile Freestanding Gas Range combines smart technology, versatile cooking options, and thoughtful design, making it a reliable and modern choice for any home chef. Number 2. Haier QGSS740RNSS. Next up is the Haier QGSS740RNSS gas range, which impressed us in every test, from rapid boiling to perfectly baked cookies. This range is an excellent pick for dedicated home cooks, avid bakers, and anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with smart technology. We especially appreciate its fast preheat, quick boil times, and sleek stainless steel design. The cast iron grates ensure even heat distribution across the cooktop, so every meal turns out just right. This range is loaded with features including steam self-clean, no preheat air fry, scan to cook, frozen pizza, frozen snacks, and a simmer burner. However, it's worth noting that many of these advanced functions are only accessible through the Smart HQ app, so you'll need your smartphone nearby to take full advantage. One minor downside is the exposed rubber bumpers on the cooktop. While it's a small detail, they can be a bit unsightly and may collect dirt over time. Despite this, the Haier QGSS740RNSS stands out as a smart, stylish, and highly capable gas range that would be a fantastic addition to any modern kitchen. Number 3. Bertazzoni PRO366BCFEPXT 36-inch dual fuel range. Now, let's talk about the Bertazzoni PRO366BCFEPXT, a 36-inch dual fuel range that brings Italian craftsmanship right into your home. This range is truly best in class and quickly became a standout favorite during our testing. It features 6 high-efficiency burners with 4 different output levels, giving you precise control for any cooking task, whether you're simmering, sautéing, or boiling. The spacious 5.7 cubic foot convection oven is self-cleaning, making maintenance a breeze, while the single-piece aluminum cooktop ensures easy cleanup after every meal. A dedicated mesh steel basket is included for air frying, and both the oven door and internal racks feature smooth glide technology for effortless use. While the Bertazzoni range doesn't offer smart features or a built-in timer, its exceptional performance and precision more than make up for it. For added peace of mind, it comes with a 2-year parts and labor warranty. Plus, if you need flexibility, it can be converted to run on LP gas with an optional kit. If you value top-tier craftsmanship, reliable performance, and elegant Italian design, the Bertazzoni range is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Number 4. Bertazzoni MAS305GASXV 30-inch freestanding gas range. The Bertazzoni MAS305GASXV is a freestanding counter-depth range designed for both performance and style. It features 5 sealed burners, including a dual-ring power burner that ranges from a gentle 750 BTU simmer to a powerful 19,000 BTU for intense searing, making it versatile for any cooking need. The oven offers a generous 4.7 cubic feet of space and uses European convection for even results across multiple racks. With multiple cooking modes like bake, convection bake, and broil, plus an extra powerful broiler, you'll have the flexibility to tackle any recipe. A built-in temperature gauge gives you real-time feedback, though there's no digital display on this model. Safety is a priority, thanks to thermocouple gas safety technology that automatically cuts off gas if the flame goes out. The soft motion door with edge-to-edge tempered glass allows for easy, one-handed opening. Continuous cast iron grates make it simple to move pots and pans, and you can choose from stainless steel, Bianco white, or Nero black finishes to match your kitchen style. With its solid build, Italian engineering, and elegant design, the Bertazzoni MAS305GASXV is a high-performance centerpiece for any modern kitchen. Number 5. LG LRGL5825F. Last but not least, the LG LRGL5825F is a fantastic option for home baking enthusiasts seeking an affordable freestanding gas range. We were especially impressed by its even baking results and the effectiveness of its air fryer mode. As with many LG appliances, this range offers smart connectivity, allowing you to control and monitor it remotely from your smartphone. It also features LG's InstaView technology. Just knock on the oven door to turn on the interior light. While a bit of a novelty, it's a fun feature that adds to the overall appeal. The real highlight here is cooking performance. The true convection oven delivers consistent, even baking and roasting, while the air fryer mode stands out for its efficiency and results. There are a couple of drawbacks to note. The preheat time is noticeably slow, which can be frustrating if you're in a hurry. Additionally, the air fryer basket isn't included and must be purchased separately. Overall, the LG LRGL5825F combines smart features, reliable performance, and innovative extras, making it a strong contender for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen without breaking the bank. So, which is the best? For top performance, style, and value, the GE Profile PGB935YPFS takes the crown. It's the perfect blend of power, precision, and smart features, making it our top pick for 2025. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching.